Good morning, T-Birds. I'm Kiara.
And I'm Kenzie. Today is May 27, 2021, and you're watching Tahoma TV.
The intercultural assembly is today and will be live online from 1:15 to 2:15. Your third period teachers should have the link in their email.
This week in sports, water polo had a tough match against South Kitsap, but wasn't able to pull off the win. In wrestling, Sanoa Smith won in double overtime against Bonney Lake, and Brian Ken had 2 pins for the night as well. The girls' basketball team had a tough loss against Bonney Lake, but the JV and varsity boys pulled off commanding wins at home against Bonney Lake. Here are some highlights.
There's another home game tonight for the boys versus Lakes, and the girls play against Wilson at home this Saturday at 6. It's free for students, so come out and support our T-Birds.
Don't forget senior prom is coming up on June 5th. It will look a little different this year due to COVID. It will be a movie night where you get to dress up, celebrate the end of senior year with your friends. There will be a red carpet, senior slideshow movie, senior sunset, and gourmet cupcakes, and the best of all, it's free.
Well, that does it for today's news. Thanks for tuning in. Again, I'm Kiara.
And I'm Kenzie. Subscribe to us on YouTube to never miss a story.
Once a T-Bird, always a T-Bird. Have a great day.